Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In our today's class, inshallah, we are going to discuss rule number 16 of the subject-verb agreement. Rule number 16 is those sentences which contain the words one of. The verb is chosen as follow. There are two basic rules which we apply when sentences contain the words one of. Number first is, if we have sentences which contain the phrase one of or one of the, a singular verb is used. Here are some examples. One of the reasons for his demotion is his carelessness. If we analyze this sentence, it contains one of the reasons for his demotion is his carelessness. Here the subject is singular, that is because we have words one of the reasons, one of the reasons mean that there are many reasons and we are talking about only one reason out of those many reasons, therefore a singular verb is used. Likewise, one of the pins is missing from my desk. If we analyze this sentence, a singular verb is used because we are talking about one of the pins out of many pins. So one of the pins is missing from my desk. Number second is those sentences which contain phrases one of those, who, are, one of the things that. I'm repeating, those sentences which contain phrases one of those, who, or one of the things that, a plural verb is required. Here are some examples. He is one of those managers who favor increasing the staff. If we analyze this sentence, we come to know that we have one of those, which is a phrase, one of those manager who favor increasing the staff. Here the verb favor without s, which is a plural verb, agrees with those managers. In the phrase one of those who, those is the plural object of the preposition of. In the subordinate clause, in the second part of the sentence, who favor, in this clause we have the relative pronoun who, which is basically the subject, and it agrees with its antecedent those or those managers. I'm repeating the second part. Those sentences which contain phrases like one of those who or one of the things that, a plural verb is required. Here are some more examples. Mr. Ali is one of our officers who are accompanying me. If we analyze this sentence, Mr. Ali is one of our officer. One of our officers, we have a plural noun, that is officers. Who, we are talking about basically the many officers who are accompanying me. Therefore, a plural verb is used, who are. Likewise, he is one of our employees who are always alert. Here the pronoun, a relative pronoun, refers back to our employees. Employees is a plural noun. Therefore, a plural verb is used. Likewise, these sentences or these examples can be multiplied. But there is one exception to this rule. If only precedes, if we have the word only before one of or one of those, then a singular verb is used. For example, Mr. Ali is only one of our employees who is always alert. Here in this sentence, the word only is used, only one of our employees. Here who agrees with the only one of the many employees, therefore a singular verb is used. Likewise, Mr. Jalal is only one of our officers who is accompanying me. In this particular example, we are talking about only one of those officers, therefore a singular verb is used. So we have an exception to this rule if the word only precedes. Precedes mean comes before one of or one of those. To sum up, rule number 16 is All those sentences which contain the words one of. We have two main sub rules in this rule number 16. Number first is one of or one of the requires a single verb. Number second is one of those who or one of the things that, a plural verb is required. And we have an exception to this rule. If the word only precedes one of or one of those, then a singular verb is used. Thank you so much and see you inshallah in the next video.